You're here? Oh yeah, this video I'll be doing 1v1 handgun only. You heard me right. Handgun only. Let's go in 1v1s and let's do handgun only. This is gonna be the most painful video ever. BTW, please subscribe. Oh, my main got better. Hello. Please sub to my Arena. Me doing handgun only. While we at it, you are in a red BTW. Hope reach your goal. I can tell by the sounds. Run! Oh! Me have some crossbow. You definitely like help me, I guess. Please let me a shield. Couldn't shield. Where's my home? Oh. I'm actually like very good with like no aimbot. But I always enable aimbot. Cause me bad. The burst. No. Why did it got burst? Yo. See, I told you, everyone is toxic. Oh my god, the memories of having a sniper. Okay, I have to do bow only. I'm gonna look early on damage. I'm gonna go this way. My using my chance called wide shield only. Oh. Hello, sir. I'm gonna casually my kid up. No, I haven't met my kid at all. Always electrician, not the weapon if you know. Oh. I think I know. Oh my god. And only depend on aimbot because I suck. Please do not 1v1 me. Okay, maybe I can get some early on something with the ball. Like this. Crunch shield. Okay. I do not want to enable my full domain. Ooh. Okay, that was not the strategy. Ball. TY. TY. Why you good? What is NP? Oh, it means no problem. Come on. Oh. I know. Let's play. Do nothing. Let's play nothing. Oh, yo! TY. Everybody, this is a shout out. GG. I do 2 rounds because there's not be a very long vid. So yeah, I'll maybe 3 rounds. IDK. Hello, you are in a vid. You are in a vid. Go sub to launcher. No, back room. Oh, that was for a joke, guys. Already? How many subs? Okay. Got to lock in. He's standing there. Oh. Well, I didn't have to do that, right? How many subs? What? How do you know? Oh my god. Yeah, getting shout out. People know you. I love his fit. I'm launcher explode. Oh my god. Wait. Let's see his reaction. Ah, no. Please do not spam me, please. Oh no, please, no. Oh, I guess I can do that. GG, bro. Did he leave? No, he didn't. No, sorry, Mia. No Bobox. Bobox. Oh, friend request. You're getting a shout out, bro. Yeah, not happening. One more round. I told you I'm famous. Not. People can like recognize me. Oh no. Oh, no. Have you ever seen that happen to you before? I don't know. You know what? I'll just cut the video. Actually, no. Hello. You are in a vid. Go stop to launcher. No, definitely come and Patreon for that because I don't know. Very, very good heal. Rashes are so good. Oh, is that a pixel skin? Oh, at least he didn't teabag me. That's a good thing. Christian Rush. Those angles is the worst gun. I don't really agree on that. No. You know, maybe I'll eat something for movement like a chainsaw. Yo. See, handgun is like very much like an AI and ratio. Imagine me losing. Oh, wait, you didn't even imagine. I am losing. Aha. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, I got to do damage off him. Oh. Hey, he was auto shoes kind of good. And look at my new avatar. I mean my new. Is it good again? Back. I'm gonna go in the middle. I'm running. Reload. Please don't comment down. I'm accusing aimbot. I'm not accusing aimbot. Yeah, I'm not accusing aimbot. Okay, if you feel toxic, I'm really sorry. Oh. Crunchy. And GG. Bye guys, you will not be in a video unless you play one of the runs. And I play in a random time because I'm in China. So, bye, guys.